Jamaica's men will be in the hunt for medals both on the track and in the field at the 17th IAAF World Championships in Doha, Qatar, starting on September 27. As we continue our countdown to the championships, a former national athlete is not thrilled about Jamaica's present status in the men's 400 meters. Shoshana McGowan has tonight's preview.
This is TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.
World Championships relay bronze medalist Jermaine Gonzales is now into coaching football at the prep school level, but his love for track and field and the 400 meters in particular still warms his heart. However, Gonzales admitted he's concerned about the current crop of men doing the one-lap event for Jamaica and their form shown in recent times. At the National Senior Championships in June, winner Demish Gay clocked 44.83 seconds. So far, he's the only one from the top three to have achieved the World Championships qualifying mark of 45.30 seconds. Terry Thomas, who was second in 45.47, and former national champion Javon Francis third in 45.60, are still trying to attain the qualifying standard.
I must say I'm very disappointed with the progress. I remember a few years ago I was very excited, and we have people running 43s and low 44, and then we have young Taylor and Javon Francis who was looking to come forward, even to create a really good relay team that would challenge the USA. But now it's not looking good. I mean, injuries has played its part, but it's not looking good. I'm very disappointed, as I said before, and I'm really hoping that some of the guys will pull through. I don't see us doing really good in the 400 World Championship.
Over the last few seasons, a number of the Jamaican male quarter-milers have struggled to consistently break either the 45 or 44 second barrier. Gonzales, who is a former national record holder, believes their race strategy needs to be revised.
I don't think they're understanding how to run the race. They have this mentality where they go in the race and they tend to relax too much, say they're traveling, as you know, but that's not how it goes. I don't think they're understanding the race, and that's one of the biggest problems we're having right now.
The likes of the legendary Herb McKinley and George Roden, along with Bert Cameron, have represented Jamaica with distinction in this event. But what has contributed to Jamaica's demise in the event in recent years?
The glory of the sprints, what you see in Asaf and Michael Freight, all of those, good 100-meter runners that we have. A lot of the kids in high school was not giving 400 a chance. If you notice, even Christopher Taylor, who is very good 400 runner, and Broomfield, they tend to prefer the sprint event. So I think that's one of the main problems that we had before.
Live and exclusive coverage of the IAAF World Athletics Championships will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and OneSpotMedia.com, with extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.
That was TVJ's Primetime Sports Road to Doha 2019.